When your cow thinks she is the neighborhood esthetician but your fur just isn't designed for a 10-pound tongue. I asked for a light grooming, not a full-body structural realignment. One more lick and I am officially a mohawk. Would you like me to write a few more variations, perhaps something even shorter for a exact moment the salmon-scented alarm clock hits the snooze button for you.
Hey.
Your data plan is at 1 but you still try to stream in 4K. This cat is officially running on low battery mode and has forgotten. You are in the middle of a midlife crisis but still have to look like a sunflower for the aesthetic. The beat drops but you are still trying to decide if you are the DJ or the security guard.
Дайте мне.
Second I was blowing a bubble and the next my cat decided it was a personal challenge. I did not win this round.
No, you stop. That's my food.
Gravitational pull of a bulldog is strongest at the edge of the mattress. Your Uber arrives and you realize you accidentally selected the carpool option. You are trying to relax but the protagonist in your favorite show makes a decision so questionable it physically hurts to watch. Precise moment when the single brain cell leaves the building. 1 minute you are... Your human says we are going for a walk but you can only find one of your... You buy a cloud and it comes with a tiny, angry storm front attached. You open a bag of chips and suddenly realize you have more friends than you thought.
Pasture, and I don't know what to do. Why are they cute at this?
The floor is lava but you have a PhD in parkour and is zero margin for error. Top-tier chaos. I offered the... Dog thought he found a new toy, but the cat just showed up to remind him who actually runs the security. Gravity works fast, but cat logic works faster. 1 second he is ready for his close-up, and the next he is just a mem- You're trying to stay awake for the season finale, but your depth perception is at 0%, but your confidence is at 100. The cone of shame has officially become the cone of miscalculation.
Actually pretty good. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Ow. Yeah, how'd that feel? Ow! My pinky! Ow! Ow! Okay.
You try to find your inner peace, but the ceiling fan chooses violence. The seals still suspect nothing. They believe I am simply a land seal with a very dry coat and a superior. You order a Labrador on Wish and they send you a soggy pattern sock instead. That is not a dog. Progression of a calculated feline strike. Target acquired, distance measured, and total commitment. Exact moment his one brain cell realized that the laws of physics. Huh? You accidentally turn on the front camera mid-breakdown and realize your life is literally a mess, but you still have to serve looks. You forget to turn off your high beams before looking in the mirror. Huh?
Why'd you kick me? Oh.
Uber driver has zero social skills and just keeps hitting the same wall, but the ride is surprisingly smooth. You accidentally leave your iPad unlocked and find out your cat has a higher ELO in mouse for cats than you do. App switcher to gameplay in 3 seconds flat. I'm officially the second smartest being in this house and I pay the mortgage. You realize the vending machine is restocking, but it is cash only and you are a cat. Forget how to use your own paws and have a full-blown existential crisis mid-grooming session. Would you like me to suggest some trending hashtags to go with this? When I tell a joke so good I have to walk away before I ruin the moment.
Oh
Human forces you into the Christmas spirit, but you are 90 fluff and 10 pure holiday rage. Your human says we need to talk about your treats consumption, and you realize the only way out is through. The drive-through worker realizes the pup is the one actually paying for the puppuccino. Your water bill is high, but you do not even own a roommate who drinks that much water.
What the fuck?
Taking a tortoise for a rock is a mistake you only make once. This cat just learned that some rocks have legs and is... Landlord says he is sending over a professional to check the leak, and then you hear a low growl from the hallway. You forget to lock the door, and your cat finally masters the art of breaking and entering. The floor is lava, but you have 3D street art and zero spatial awareness. That black dog is currently rethinking every... that the orange cat energy is real. This little guy marched over with 100 confidence, except... You wake up and remember you have responsibilities, but your body is still in factory The moment your cat's single brain cell decides to take a vacation mid-jump. Experience is what you get. Service at this 5-star hotel is slow, so you have to bring your own snacks down from the room. You try to take down the curtains but realize you have zero upper body strength, and now you are just part of the decor.